In 3 years, we have grown a 5-figure business selling stickers on Etsy. Here's how we did it. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Yannette. I'm an occupational therapist and co-owner of Little Comfy Goods, where we embroider crew necks and create adventure-inspired stickers. Today's video is going to look a little different. In the past, we've talked a lot about embroidery, and we want to shed light to the sticker side of our business. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how we got started with making stickers, the equipment and materials we use to make premium stickers, and some strategies that helped us be successful on Etsy. Make sure to stick around to the end, where I will be sharing all our Etsy numbers and show you how our sticker shop has grown over the years. First, I want to give a little background on how we started our small business. That takes us back to August of 2021. During the height of the pandemic, Luis and I had been working from home for some time due to the pandemic, and that freed up a little bit of our time and our workflows really changed. So we took this opportunity to start a small business that we had been thinking about for some time. We decided on making apparel designs and also wanted to explore making stickers, and that's where we made our first business expense and purchased a Cricut. We made our first stickers and apparel designs using the Cricut Maker 3, and this was a great way to get started with both products at the same time at a very low startup cost. Now, I have to admit that at this point, we didn't have a defined niche or a focus. We were making apparel and stickers that were interesting to us rather than researching what was popular or what people were purchasing. After stumbling there for a bit at the start, we narrowed in on a niche for a sticker shop, so something that overlapped with our interest and what was popular on Etsy, and that's where our travel-inspired stickers came to be. Now, with that background, let's get into the process of making stickers, starting with the design. We use Adobe Illustrator and Procreate to design our stickers. We then send our design over to Adobe Illustrator, where we set the print and cut lines for our Graphtec. And we actually upgraded to the Graphtec from our Cricut machine. And if you'd like to know a little bit more about the Graphtec, let us know in the comments. After setting the registration marks and the cut lines, we send it over to the printer. The printer is also something that we've upgraded. We started with our HP printer, which we had for several years, and this was an easy way to just get started because we didn't have to purchase a new printer to start making stickers. We quickly realized how wasteful our HP printer, because it only had 2 ink cartridges, the black and the all-in-one color cartridge, and so whenever a color ink would go out, we would have to replace the entire color cartridge, even when there were other colors that were still full. This became very expensive, especially after our sticker order started to pick up. We found ourselves replacing the color cartridge about every couple of weeks, which was $50 to $60 every time. We knew that this wasn't going to be sustainable and needed to upgrade to a printer that had individual ink cartridges. After a ton of research, we purchased our Canon printer. This is the Canon Image ProGraph Pro 300. It has 10 individual inks to create vivid professional prints. When we run out of one color, we can replace that specific ink color only. The inks are pigment-based, which make the prints much more resistant to fading and direct sunlight. Some might argue that this printer is overkill for stickers, but we feel like our stickers are little works of art that can bring someone fond memories of their travels. Our stickers are likely to be used on water bottles, on outdoor gear and equipment, and even as window decals on vehicles. So we want these stickers to be high quality and for the colors to last as long as possible in various weather conditions. To make sure that our stickers are durable and last for years to come, both indoors and outdoors, we apply a sheet of laminate over the stickers. We offer both glossy and matte versions of our stickers, which both look great. The glossy stickers have a more vibrant look, whereas the matte stickers have a frosty, shine-free look. It took us a long time to figure out the best way to apply apply the laminate onto our stickers. There were several trial and errors, misalignment, and creasing of the laminate, but we're much better at it now and make less errors when applying the laminate. Our current process is still not ideal. Ideally, we would be using a manual cold roll laminator, but if you've seen our studio tour video, you'd know that we don't have the space for it. So we're doing the best that we can with the space that we have with this manual process. First, I'll unstick a section of the laminate sheet and apply it to the top of the sticker sheet as straight as possible. Then I rotate the laminate, add a paperweight to the top so it doesn't slide around when I apply the rest of the laminate. Using a wide felt lined squeegee, I lift the backing of the laminate and at the same time apply the laminate with the squeegee. With practice, you should be able to apply the laminate with one quick movement. The last step is to use a roller to firmly adhere the laminate to the sticker sheet. Now the sticker sheet is ready to be cut. Like I mentioned, we started using our Cricut machine to make our stickers, but after a while, once our sticker sales picked up, our Cricut machine just couldn't keep up. We started looking at upgrade options and came across the GraphTech vinyl cutters. Reviews mentioned that these machines were very accurate and very quick, and that's exactly what we were looking for. We decided on the GraphTech CE 7060, which is a 24-inch vinyl cutter. In an ideal setup, our GraphTech would be used with a large format printer such as the Roland BN20, but space is at a premium here, so we use our GraphTech like an oversized Cricut. We stick a few Cricut mats together to use with our GraphTech. This helps keep the sticker sheets in place since the sticker sheets are a relatively small cutting area for the GraphTech. Once the sheet is loaded and aligned, we go to our computer and open up Cutting Master 5 in Adobe Illustrator. Our GraphTech is connected via Ethernet, so we don't have to connect our computer to the machine. Once it's done cutting, we remove it from the GraphTech and enjoy the skeleton peel and take off all the stickers from the mat. So now let's talk about packaging our stickers. All right, so presentation and branding help level up your products and the customer's unboxing experience. We want to make sure that every customer has an excellent unboxing experience, so we focus on the little details to help make this possible. We place our stickers on what we call sticker cards, which serve two purposes. One, it ensures that it gets through the mail without creasing or bending, and two, it helps with overall presentation, especially if it's a gift, which we often get on Etsy. The sticker is attached to the sticker card using dot adhesives used for scrapbooking, and these provide the perfect amount of adhesive, allowing you to still remove it without damaging the sticker. Now let's talk about shipping. So shipping was one of the most stressful parts of starting our sticker shop online, but we eventually figured out how to ship our stickers in the most economical way possible. We used the built-in shipping tool in Etsy that helped us create individual and custom shipping options. This helps us quickly identify whether we're going to send out an order as a flat, a letter, or a box, and all of that was determined based on the number of stickers and the overall weight for that order. We ship our stickers using Etsy labels to provide tracking. Although this is an added cost, this helps us maintain our Star Seller badge on our shop, which brings in more visibility to our shop on Etsy. When customers see this on a shop, they know that that seller has provided good customer service, have reliable shipping, and have overall good reviews on their products. One downside that we've been experiencing is that the tracking is not always reliable. When we get a large order, we purchased a USPS Ground Advantage label to provide more accurate tracking. Outside of Etsy, we have our online store through Shopify, and we purchase our shipping labels directly through Shopify. It's super fast, easy, and convenient. However, it is a little bit more expensive, and we're looking into other options. So if you have any recommendations, please let us know in the comments below. All right, so as promised, here's a quick look at our history on Etsy. We launched our Etsy sticker shop in February of 2022. We started off pretty good, getting 30 orders in our first 2 months, but then our sales dramatically plummeted and came to a complete stop. Between April and September, we had 10 orders total. That's less than 5 orders per month. That's when we took a step back and reevaluated our niche of our shop and transitioned to making more travel-inspired stickers. In October, our orders shot up to 38, and the next 2 months, we made over 60 orders each month. That brought our conversion rate to 6.5% and a total revenue of $1,365 for the first year on Etsy. Now let's look at 2023. The first half of the year, we were doing about 50 to 60 orders per month. In July, we spiked to 75 orders in just 1 month. Now in August, that's when the devastating Lahaina Maui fires were occurring, and that brought a lot of traction to our shop. We set our Lahaina sticker orders into a donation campaign because it just didn't feel right to profit from a tragic event. We donated proceeds from the Lahaina sticker orders to the Maui Strong Foundation, and we were just super grateful to have been able to be in the position to help. Then in September, we started prepping for our new product of the National Park calendars for 2024. And in this month, we had a total of 135 orders. In October, our orders dropped to 98, and then we launched our National Park calendars in November, which brought our sales to 140 for the month. We ended 2023 in an all-time high with 234 orders in December, and this brought our total orders for the year at 1,176 in comparison to only 239 in 2022. Our conversion rate decreased slightly from 6.5 to 6%, but our revenue increased dramatically from 1,365 to 14,287. We're considering making a similar video for our Etsy stats of 2024, and if you'd be interested in that, let me know. If you learned something to help improve your sticker shop or were inspired to get started with your own sticker business, then please hit that like and subscribe button, as it would really help to get this video out to more people like you. If you like this video, then you should check out our studio tour where I show you all the equipment we use to run our sticker and our embroidery business from our small space. See you there. Move it along. Just get it out, get it out. We're gonna try it again. I like the way that I said that, okay? Ooh, whoa. What happened there? It took us a long time to figure out. Oh, these stickers are great as a fan too. Uh-oh, the lights changed. I hope it was that one. Oh, the blow drying. Oh, hold on. The blow drying today was just not it. I don't know. I'm not having a very good hair day. I keep looking down. Whoops. We're done. Okay, here we go. Bye.